Mariega. Mariega. Kemononi mihumake. Kemononi make. I say, you say. Gadang me wie mo. Me chake mo yemli. Kegbe pleke shinle. De wie mo chake mo yo. Toning knowledge and skills. How do we express low tone in Ga? A, E, I, O, U, O, E. Gadang me wie mo. Egbe chake mo srote enyo. Awu ogbe no. Ni abale shin. Enyo pleke oshin. Nike awie ye gugomlile. Wie mo chakio. Be okadi ni blofocho le vowel. Le gadang me hie. Bao son. Be okadi ni blofocho le vowel le. Gadang me hie. Bao son. Let's look at how we compose words in English, for example. To compose a word in English, you need a consonant and a vowel. These comprise phonemes. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in speech. For example, dog has D, O, G. In Gadangme, it's different. To compose words, Wiemo in Ga, we need a consonant, a vowel, and a toneme. For example, Be, B, E, Be. A toneme is a toned phoneme. Ga uses tones to distinguish meaning in words. Therefore, Ga words have both phonemes and tonemes. Look at these Ga words. Ga means ring. Ga means knock. Ga is the language. To speak, listen, read and write Ga meaningfully and accurately, we need to distinguish between these tonemes. We use the ascending accent to represent high tone and the descending accent to represent low tone. We use the tilde or the superscript accent to indicate nasal quality. This gives meaning too. Ga is pronounced like ga. Low tone. However, it's nasal. This completely changes the meaning of the word. Hawo kwegbe chakimo. Yegamye mo ikomami. Kegbe pleke shin. Te yo ten. Let's look at how low tone plays out in words in Ga. We will look at these words using syllables and tones. Let's call them syllatones. Let's look at how low tone plays out in 1 syllotone, 2 syllotone, and 3+ syllotone words. Ofe klalo alo. Obashe fio. Kemo noni make. Are you ready? Let's play a game of you say, I say. Say what I say. Kemo ga. Ga. Kemo bo. Bo. Kemo mi. Mi. Kemo la. La. Kemo to. To. Kemo nu. Nu. Kemo fo. Fo. Kemo cho. Cho. Kemo lo. Lo. Kemo yo. Yo. Kemo nu. Nu. Kemo ba. Ba. Kemo yo. Yo. Kemo wolo. Wolo. Kemo yala. Yala. Kemo lele. Lele. Kemo yele. Yele. Kemo gbomo. Gbomo. Kemo mulu. Mulu. Kemo jachu. Jachu. Kemo choni. Choni. Kemo nula. Nula. Kemo hela. Hela. Kemo agbo. Agbo. Kemo kekete. Kekete. Kemo konimake. Piane eshono. Gonti. Nakaino. Nine. Nakaino. Nane. Nakaino. Kemo nonimake. Kemo cho. Fo. Bo. Mulu. Nula. Chunye. Kekete. Chofache. Yeleche. Nakaino. Oyiwaladon. Menu kase. Mawoye afroliteracies@gmail.com. Obasmo wale. If this tutorial helped you to learn your low tones in Ga, write to us at afroliteracies@gmail.com and tell us all about it. Mariega.